Often called green gold. Often called green gold, this versatile plant is key to many cultures and industries worldwide. Its fast, sustainable growth makes it a valuable resource. Today's video shows how farmers harvest and process bamboo products. Bamboo thrives in tropical and subtropical climates. This is a unique plant. Bamboo has long rhizomes, spreading quickly in unpredictable ways. New shoots grow stems with branches and leaves in about 60 days. A bamboo plant reaches full height in just 6 to 9 months. However, it takes 3 to 5 more years to mature for harvest. Mature bamboo has stable sugar levels and strength for building. Harvesting bamboo requires a good saw, gloves, and safety goggles. When cutting bamboo, it's crucial to cut above the first or second node. Cutting just above the node can prevent issues. 3. It traps rainwater, causing stagnation and pollution. This attracts pests, weakens the rhizome system, and hinders new bamboo growth. Farmers often leave rhizomes to allow for 3. It can produce new shoots annually. As a woody grass, harvested bamboo doesn't need replanting. It regrows by pushing new shoots through the soil. The rhizome structure forms 80% of bamboo's biomass, all underground. China leads global bamboo production with vast resources. Its bamboo forests cover 16.7 million acres, a large part of total forests. 3. In the Asia-Pacific region, China dominates, accounting for nearly 71% of global bamboo product exports. China's bamboo industry, valued at $27 billion and expected to reach $48 billion, is a cornerstone of its economy, employing 10 million people. This industry creates opportunities for rural communities and plays a key role in the green economy. As demand for eco-friendly products grows, China's bamboo industry is set to expand both domestically and internationally. India is the world's second-largest bamboo producer, with an impressive annual output exceeding 11 million pounds. India's bamboo industry showcases the country's biodiversity and horticultural expertise. Moreover, bamboo farming boosts income for rural families in Assam, Maharashtra, and Madhya Pradesh. The dry season start marks peak bamboo harvesting time. Indian farmers typically harvest from post-monsoon through late winter. Summer harvested bamboo decays faster than bamboo cut in fall or winter. During harvest, farmers remove any dead or wilted bamboo stalks. Bamboo clusters grow densely packed together. Farmers cut bamboo stems shorter than 2.5 meters in length. Cleaning bamboo allows remaining plants to grow easily. Usually cut with a long sharp knife or curved saw. Some farmers use chainsaws to save time and effort. Bamboo stalks shouldn't be harvested during growth season, as it can damage young shoots and slow future growth of the bamboo clump. When managed well, bamboo plantations take up to 2 years to effectively reduce soil erosion. It's crucial to preserve harvested bamboo before processing, as it tends to rot quickly. The preservation process may darken the bamboo stem due to high heat, destroying the starch inside. Farmers heat bamboo to 248 to 302 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes to protect it from insects. It can be lime-coated to slow water absorption and boost antifungal properties. Farmers soak bamboo in mud or water for weeks to reduce starch and deter borers. Then, they dry it to prepare for product processing. Bamboo plantation yield depends on management and climate conditions. A well-maintained mature plantation can yield 5-6 bamboo shoots per clump. This amounts to about 1,500 stems per acre. Over 40 Ecuadorian bamboo species are vital in daily life and agriculture. Bamboo boosts family economies, with demand outpacing supply. Ecuador has giant bamboo plantations with stalks reaching over 30 meters high. This fast-growing bamboo is ideal for construction and plywood industries. At the factory, stacked layers are placed in the hot press. Bamboo is compressed under high heat and pressure to form a solid uniform board. It's then sanded, trimmed, and coated for durability and appearance. Bamboo boards can be used for many different applications. Bamboo has become crucial in the sustainable materials market. It's an eco-friendly choice. It can replace metal, plastic, and cotton. Bamboo is now used in everything from kitchenware to toilet paper. Farmers use bamboo to make flower pots. They cut bamboo stems to the right length. Then, they sand the cut edges to smooth out rough spots. This step is crucial for the vase's look and safety. Bamboo is also used to make forest bamboo salt. High-quality bamboo salt costs nearly $100 per bottle. This process makes purple bamboo salt the priciest worldwide. Koreans use it for cooking and traditional medicine. It's made by heating sea salt inside bamboo. The aim is to infuse salt with bamboo minerals. The process starts by cutting 3-year-old trees into uniform logs. Korean West Coast salt is hand-packed into bamboo tubes. Once the bamboo tube is filled with salt, workers load it onto a cart and push it into the furnace. This process of placing salt in bamboo tubes takes about 2 years. Heating above 1,400 degrees Fahrenheit burns the bamboo, leaving a column of salt. But this is just the beginning of the process. The 9th and final burn is the hottest, exceeding 1,800 degrees Fahrenheit. An expert operates a special kiln to fire the bamboo salt. The bamboo burning process is done as quickly as possible. After cooling for days, workers carefully break the salt by hand, wasting nothing. Bamboo salt can cost up to 10 times more than Himalayan pink salt. Bamboo can withstand heavy rains and other harsh weather conditions. Thais know bamboo salt is very cold and can cause climate issues. They've applied advanced design and building techniques with Tarias. They can construct bamboo structures in high-temperature areas. Tress wood's look and strength are used in tourism and crafts. Bamboo can also be transformed into unique sculptures. It's used in interior design, music, and various products from floors to exclusive designs. and consumed worldwide. Made with natural ingredients, bottled at incredible speed. So, how is beer produced? Today, we'll follow barley harvesting and craft beer brewing. Sometimes nothing beats an ice-cold beer. But creating that unique flavor isn't easy. It all begins in the barley fields. Barley typically grows in temperate climates. In the US, North and West are main barley-producing regions. Idaho, Montana, North Dakota, and Washington lead production. Barley is sown in spring. At first, it looks like grass. At 30 to 40 centimeters, they start forming seeds. Barley growing conditions vary by cultivar, but it grows best in cool, moist conditions. Harvest timing depends on grain moisture and field climate. Barley is ready for harvest when grain moisture is between 12.5% and 18%. If grain moisture is lower, farmers need special storage for overly wet grain. Barley is typically harvested using combines and threshers. The barley harvest requires special care and attention. Malting barley has higher harvesting standards. Barley must be dry for easy grain-straw separation during harvest. Winter barley is harvested in July, spring barley in August. Post-harvest barley is tested for germination and quality parameters. Growers consider skin adhesion, mold, frost damage, and plant diseases. After passing the test, the next step is malting. Freshly harvested barley grains are starchy and smell grassy. Brewing beer right away won't let yeast access these complex carbs. Malting converts barley to malt, shaping beer's color, aroma, and taste. Start by soaking barley in water to absorb moisture. After hours, drain the water and expose seeds to air. It undergoes wetting and oxidation stages to activate. Soaking ends when grain moisture reaches about 45%. This takes 3 to 5 days, varying by barley type and environment. During germination, you'll see roots growing, a good sign. Starch changes occur. Growers control sprouting for even germination. Farmers turn seeds regularly to ensure roots intertwine and limit airflow through them. The final step is drying, which is done using hot air. The process starts by spreading sprouted barley in the oven and heating it to the right temperature. Drying is crucial as it affects barley's color and flavor and stops grains from sprouting. Heat dries barley and breaks down starch into simpler sugars for yeast in fermentation. The kiln is vital to the process as it influences the malt's color and flavor. Canadian barley is globally renowned, with 23,000 farmers producing about 8 million tons yearly. Farmers harvest barley from fields, then it undergoes processing at the factory. But why was barley chosen for brewing beer? Barley is the top grain for brewing. Used in beer production. It has the right properties. With craft breweries booming, flavor and ingredient experimentation is trending. Steeping barley activates enzymes in the grain. Barley is soaked in water until fully saturated. Water is changed daily and every 45 to 72 hours. Seeds are aerated and stirred, releasing enzymes that convert starch to fermentable sugars. Grinding barley increases surface area, making it more accessible to water. Breweries use specialized equipment like roller or hammer mills to grind barley. The barley is then mixed with warm water until it's thick as porridge. Boiling is crucial in brewing as it sterilizes, killing unwanted microorganisms. Hops are added during boiling to create bitterness depending on the duration. The longer hops boil, the more bitter the beer becomes. Hops are usually added in the last 15-30 minutes for flavor. The boiling process typically lasts 60 to 90 minutes. All of this takes place inside the kettle. Kettles were 2.1-3.6 m wide, 2 stories tall for heating power. After fermentation, the mix is filtered and pumped to fermentation tanks. Fermentation is where the magic happens. There are 2 types of fermentation in beer production. These are primary first stage and secondary fermentation. When yeast is most active, it eats most sugar and makes beer. Beer is packaged in various forms like bottles and cans. The packaging process is crucial for quality preservation. Some beers are filtered again to remove any leftover solids and yeast. Brewers also measure alcohol content, bitterness, pH, and color. Breweries use various methods to ensure consistent flavor and quality. Kelowna locals are having a blast making craft beer. They have a small brewery space to work with. Though small scale, each step mirrors large factory production. They work hard to produce high-quality beer. Multiple full kegs allow for creating many different beer styles. Kelowna is in the desert's far north, so water scarcity is a problem for brewers. Using a standard kettle system, brewers need 4 to 6 liters of water per liter of beer. Since the water requirement is so high, conserving water is crucial. They filter and reuse clean water from fermentation tanks for the next beer batch. Brewers are aware and mindful of this agricultural industry's growth. They aim for economic growth while respecting the environment. They use spent grains from brewing as animal feed.